Welcome to the episode of From Field Struggles to Field Sales, building the SFA that truly works for the sales reps. We have got Venkata Krishnan with us. He is the Associate Product Development and Quality Control Manager at SalesJump. He has 20 years of experience, starting from being a designer and then into digital marketing, SEO strategy, and business analysis. And today, he leads the product development and quality control team. He's serving as a driving force behind building and refining tools that actually works for the sales reps. In this episode, ES breakdowns for us that solving the field sales problem is not about throwing fancy features, but mixing the right tech with the on-ground empathy. As a product development and quality control leader, what two practices you follow that makes you to excel in this field, sir?
Okay, I always read something new in daily basis, and I'm just understanding the market changes and as well as new technology. So that helped me for giving a better solution in the product. Second point is I'm interacting the people expertise who are in the same industry. We both sharing our knowledges, so that knowledge helped me to find the solutions whenever the requirements come from the market. It helps for my product as well as myself.
So basically, like your cravings for knowledge and socializing with your industry people is what makes you to excel.
Correct.
That's amazing tips, sir. So everyone is talking about AI these days, sir. Is SalesJump using AI, and how does AI helps in field sales, sir?
Yeah, it's a great question. Now we are building on it. We are doing three different helpful AI.
So what are those AI, sir?
So one is recommend based AI, second one is request based response, third one is forecasting AI.
Okay, so can you elaborate on what is that recommended AI?
Recommended AI, the system will learn and read like vendors visit or product which I am pushing into the market. Based on these two inputs, it will start giving the suggestions while placing an order.
Okay. So then what is all about that request-based response, sir?
Okay, so the request based response is nothing but it's like a chatbot. So if the salesperson wants to generate any report, he has to click many buttons. For this request based response, as a salesperson, I can just ask questions to the system saying that what is my sales today. The system will respond like as a friend.
Oh, nice. So then what's about this forecast analysis AI, sir?
Okay, this indirectly helps managers to plan better. So it reads past data and shows the target whether the users can achieve or not.
Oh, it's completely amazing feature, sir. It's going to be really helpful for the sales team. So, is there any simple app that connects retailers and distributors that allows them to directly connect instead of all those back and forth calls, sir?
Yes, that's exactly why we build a retailer app in SalesJump. So the retailer has to wait for sales reps to either visit or the retailer has to call many times to place just one order. This causes delays and confusions. So in our app, as a retailer, I can place order anytime when I want through app. Point two, he can see the offers and schemes which provided by the distributors. Point three, he can track the orders what he has placed as well as he can see the old orders records. Then point four, so he can even check the payment details in the app. So it make easier for retailer as well as distributors.
So it's going to be completely a easy process for the retailers and distributors.
Yes,
It's just a boon for them, I guess.
correct.
So the common problem in the field sales is often the MRs will feel exhausted in the field and they feel demotivated. Is there any solution or feature to make them feel motivated, sir?
Yeah, we have one feature, a powerful feature called gamification. In that, where admin can create competitions to the group of employee or individual employees, where he can assign the points, target, set the target. Then the participants can indirectly start playing it. So whenever he start playing it, it indirectly increases sales because this seems a backward of other things because I cannot always ask have you achieved the target or not. In that target where I set it in the competitions, then I'll ask you to play. While you are playing, you will start running behind the target indirectly.
Okay,
which
so there will be
help for
some live
MRs.
dashboards. So
Yeah.
how many tasks they have completed, how many purchase
Yes.
people has done, or how
For
many sales.
for this gamification, we have leaderboard,
Mm.
and we have pointing system,
Mm.
and we have batches system.
Mm.
So based on the winners, for example, 1, 2, 3 ranking, we are allocating the points. So that points after the gamification's been completed, so he can accumulate that point. So based on the point, he can take rewards. We have features called rewards in the system. He can just reuse that points and convert as the any product.
So which means every day they might get a motivation, like all these small wins. Like every time they might get a reward, it is like a small win for them that keeps them moving forward.
Correct.
So which means the manager will also get a view about what is happening, which person won which sales and how many sales he has made.
Yes, even manager has rights as well as admin also have rights to see the winners or runners, the participant who are all joining in this participant. What is his current target or achievement? Everything he can see it.
So it is such an impressive feature, sir.
And also we have phase 2 of gamification, which is nothing but beating like competition 1-to-1. So if I am a salesperson, I can call you battling. It's called as a battling. I can call you and ask for competitions. So I send a request, you accept, and you can play with me. Whoever winner, we can use this as a badge, as a compromise winning point, or even I can give offline gift also, saying that I can give the dinner for you. Are you coming with this batch?
So this is a perfect feature to make them feel motivated in the field, sir. So why do top brands prefer SalesJump over other products in the market?
So at SalesJump, we are collecting client information, and our BA team effectively do the R&D, and that requirement make it as the features, potential features, and deliver to the customer.
So how does this R&D work, sir?
So our BA team doing regular competitor analysis as well as current market changes. Then they will raise these tickets into the backlog. That backlog we weekly once we are discussing and prioritize, and they do the documentation like preparing UAE and the FRD, then have internal discussion, then send it to the development. Once delivered, we will pass on to the customers. So whenever we are doing new updates in our system, that indirectly helps our existing customer or new customers to retain with us. Example, Thermala, HAP, they are associated with us because of this reason.
They are big brands, so being associated with them for a long period is really a pride in this field. How do you approach the complex client requirements, sir?
Okay, it's very simple. We listen carefully. We do proper research and effective, and we given right solutions to the customers.
So could you share a few examples how you address that complex requirement?
Okay, I'll give two examples. One is Malaysian client who had auto count software ERP. He wants to integrate this ERP with SFA. They tried around 3 years to different vendors, which cannot be fulfilled. Then finally they approached us. So what we understand the requirement and we fulfill within 45 days and deliver to them. That currently they are working on it without any problem. Then second one is Reliance. They have animal divisions, which they also tried different vendors, but they have completely different practice rather than other industry. So they are also not getting solution. Then they approach us. So we have a product which is a base product, can be customizable to any modification or changes in our product. Then we understand the requirement and developed and delivered to them in a short manner, and currently they are working on it.
So it's really like a milestone in this industry, sir. So field managers often struggle with delayed and scattered data. So how did you make reporting easier and faster for them, sir?
Yes, these are many of the customers using Power BI tool to generate the report. To generate the report, they need the expertise, or if they need any changes, then they need developers. So this contains lot of time and money. So avoiding this, we made a dynamic reporting tool at SalesJump. which can be created by anyone, and they can even do modifications whatever they want, like adding the column or removing the columns. There is no need of technical person. As well as they can see in different view like pie chart, bar chart, as well as tabular view or dump. So now many of the managers, whenever they want, they can generate the report without any delay. So there is no additional cost, no need of developers, and this saves a lot of time and efforts.
So it's really a game changer in the reporting field, sir. So it's gonna work for a lot of people. What advice would you give to those who are aspiring to get into this product development or quality control field, sir?
Okay, focus on broad learning. Don't restrict your learning into the title. And as a product development, uh, you have to understand user experience, technology, product design, etc. Every role demands a different lens in this field. Expanding your knowledge across vertical, it's not an optional, it's essential.
So that's so true, sir. Impressive. A huge thanks to Venkata Krishnan, sir, for sharing your journey and practical insight on what it really takes to build a great product. If you find this episode insightful, follow us and stay tuned. We have got more stories from on the ground coming your way. Until next time, Komal.